Hello guys, thank you so much for coming into my YouTube channel. I'm so grateful as I embark on this new journey. I just want to say thank you so much. Please hit the subscribe button and hope you guys are feeling amazing. For me, I'm so grateful. I just wanted to give God all the praises, all the thanks, because without him I wouldn't be here. But today this video is not going to be long, but basically what I come to talk about is believe in yourself, people. Believe in yourself. It doesn't matter what the naysayers say. You go for it. You never give up on your dreams and whatever you set out to do. Never give up because somebody say, yo, you ain't gonna make it, you ain't gonna do it. Because guess what? They don't see the great in you. You understand what I'm saying? But you make sure you keep pressing on. You believe in yourself. In Philippians 4 verse 6, it said, be anxious of nothing, but in all things through prayer and supplication, put your requests unto God. Hallelujah. And trust me, he's going to come true for you. Before I start this YouTube journey, I look up to many YouTubers, many YouTubers, comment and like and stuff. And I remember this particular, I think about 3 months ago, when I made a comment and I was like, man, I think I would like to, start my own YouTube channel. And somebody comment underneath it, and they said, man, you ain't gonna get even one subscriber. And I felt discouraged.
Enough respect to Colazsmithtv. Big up.